Deceitful and misleading are some of the words in a lawsuit claiming the new Republican-drawn ballot measure to lower property taxes needs to be redrawn or tossed out.
West 2's political reporter Greg Fox spoke with people who are behind that lawsuit.
If voters approve the property tax reduction amendment drawn by Republican leadership, the existing $50,000 homestead exemption will increase to $150,000 next year and to $250,000 in 2028.
When you pay less taxes, you can expect lesser services from your community.
Former Key Biscayne Mayor Michael Davey is one of two plaintiffs in a lawsuit filed by attorney Jamie Cole. Under the group name Save Our Voters from Misleading Ballot Language, the lawsuit claims the ballot statement is factually inaccurate and misleading. The lawsuit is asking the judge to order a rewrite of the ballot language. For example, it tells voters that core services in cities and counties will be protected, but opponents say that language is deceitful. The plaintiffs say voters need to know that a yes vote will carve nearly $14 billion out of city and county budgets in its first 2 years. While school property taxes would be spared, money for police and fire protection, public parks and recreation, garbage pickup, and more would be drained.
This is a power grab. This is an attempt by Tallahassee to centralize power in a small group of individuals up there to the detriment of local municipal governance and municipal residents.
The judge could order Attorney General James Uthmeier to rewrite the ballot language to help voters understand what's at stake.
Look, this is an important issue. There's going to be a big campaign for it. There's going to be a campaign against it. And the voters are going to just need to make a decision. But when they go to decide, they have to be given a fair ballot question.
We need to get a resolution on this pretty quickly.
Republican Governor Ron DeSantis said voters deserve to have quick decisions by the courts.
So this is not something where the litigation can really drag out. We're going to go, I think we'll win at the trial court, but if you don't, then you got to go and do a quick appeal.
Greg Fox, West 2 News.
The Florida Association of Counties says it wants voters to remember one of the reasons people move to certain communities is for the quality of life and services in those communities.